Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be filming this makeup look. I have been really into these like orangey rust colors lately. And I wanted to do the infinite eyeliner technique. And yeah, I really like how it came out. And yeah, I really am happy with the way that it came out. I really hope that you guys like it too. If you want to try out something new and would like to know how I did this, stick around for the tutorial. But before we get started, I wanted to ask you guys to please comment down below, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my social medias. I have Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So if you guys are not following me there, go ahead and follow me if you have one of those or all three. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this very glam, infinite eyeliner rustic eye look. If you would like to know how I did this and want to follow along with me and just try something new like I did, please keep watching and we will get right into this video. Alright, so the very first color that I'm going to take is from the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Morphe and Jacqueline Hill, and it is this yellowish mustard color, and I'm going to use that all throughout my crease, and I'm going to take it pretty far up into the crease. And let me just say, I am breaking out around the mouth area. Now I'm going to take this color from the Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to put it on the outer part of the crease and the outer edge. First, I'm going to begin to stamp it on the outer corner. And then I'm just going to slightly bring it like into a C, like we're making a C shape, or like rounding it out. Okay, so since I feel like this is going to need a little bit of like warmth, I am going to be applying this color right here, which is like an orangey brown shade. So I'm going to take that shade Secure, and I'm pretty much going to blend it in with that darker brown. Bring it inward a little bit. So we're going to need a angled brush. This one is a little bit thicker than my eyebrow brush, and we need a black eyeliner and also a black eyeshadow. So first I'm going to start with the eyeshadow because eyeshadow is more forgiving than eyeliner. So if I were to go straight in with the eyeliner and then do the eyeshadow, I could possibly mess up and then this whole video would just be a waste of time. So let's start out with the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to start in the middle. And then pull it. And as I pull it, I'm going upwards. So now I can turn it so that the point of the brush, as you can see, the point of the brush is now facing this way. An infinity eyeliner, you don't really bring it out into a wing because the outer part is actually just black eyeshadow really blown out. So I'm going to stop there. But I am going to make it a little bit thicker. So now I'm going to switch to a very fine tip eyeliner brush so that I can get into this part as it gets more narrow. So just like that. Now I need an eyeliner, an actual eyeliner. Alright, so now that I have the eyeshadow done as an eyeliner, as you can see, it is pretty black, but we want it to be sealed so that way when we go in with the black eyeshadow to blend out, it's just going to look like it fades into it. And also it's going to make it a lot more true of a black, so it's going to make it a lot more darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics eyeliner. This is the gel eyeliner, and it is in Blacklist, and I really like the packaging of this eyeliner. All Pretty Vulgar packaging is really cute. It's very like old fashioned Hollywood style. So I'm going to add some of the Inglot Mixing Medium into it so that it's creamier. And now I'm pretty much just going to trace over what I did. And I actually brought it into the inner corner because I just felt like, I don't know, like it looked better at the end. Okay, so now that that's sealed, as you can see, it's a lot darker and it looks a lot sharper as well. So now I'm going to go back in with the black eyeshadow and a more detailed brush, like a pencil brush. And now I'm just going to stamp it in. You can't see where that ended, and I rounded it out again. Okay, so now I'm going to take a really small blending brush. It's got kind of a point to it. It's not your typical small blending brush. And this is a Sigma E47 brush. And I love Sigma brushes as well. I really like so many brushes from so many different brands. So I'm just going to use this brush to pretty much just blend this edge of the black. So I'm just blending in circular motions, and then I do take it up a bit. And as you can see, now you can't even see where it ends because it just looks like it's faded in. And I really like the way that this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I will be right back. And I'm going to move on to the bottom lash line. So first I'm going to apply some of the gel liner and right here on the outer corner so that it pretty much connects. And now I'm going to go over it with black eyeshadow. Alright, so now I am going to add like a pop of highlight. So since I don't have one on the lid or anything like that, I'm going to do it to the inner corner. And I'm going to take my very broken favorite inner corner highlight, and it is by MAC, and it is in the shade Nylon. And we're going to begin with this area left over right here, and then I'm bringing it upwards. I'm also adding a little bit of highlight just right under the brow bone, right here. Alright, so I'm going to be lining my lips with this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude. And on top of that, I'm going to apply Classic K by KKW Cosmetics or KKW Beauty. Alright, and this is the final makeup look. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!